Hello, welcome back to my channel. The video will be on how to make a PowerPoint presentation in 1 minute. We'll just guide you through the process within a very short period of time. Alright, if you have your Word document, your presentation outline, and you have arranged it the way you would like to present it, just like you are seeing on the screen now. Now, there are some very important things that you think you need to take note of. Now, the title of the presentation is the first one at the top, and it should be in heading 1. You put it in heading 1, and then you come to the introduction that you will be talking about, or whichever title that you are giving your presentation, which is the first slide. That should be in heading 2. So my advice is that all the main topics should be in heading 2, and the overall description of the presentation should be in heading 1. So if you look critically at this, you will see that once I close this heading 1, all the information is gone, and introduction how's uh, this who is a personnel officer, and this is an example of what your presentation will look like. So after you have it in this format, the next thing you will do is to launch your browser. So when you launch your browser, you have something like this. Then you go to office.com. office.com. So then you log in. If you don't have the sign-in detail in office.com, you can create an account with them, and then you sign in. So I'll be signing in now. Alright, after you have signed in, you have something like this. Then you go to my contents. So from my contents, you can come to cloud files. Then you click on go to OneDrive. So when you click on go to OneDrive, you wait for it to load. So it will load your drive just like Google Drive. Then you can now you have a folder that you have created already or something. So I've created training folder for this purpose. Then you open it, then you upload a file, which is the Word document that you have created initially for your presentation. And if you recall, I named this particular one role of personnel officer for YouTube presentation. So I will upload it here. Now, once I upload it here, I wait for it to synchronize. Immediately it's synchronized, you can see it is synchronized here. Then I can launch it to open it on the web. So when I open it on the web like this, let's wait for it to load. Now I will have something like this. This is Word document on the web. Now the next thing I will do is to go to File, then I will click on Export. So when I click on Export, then I will click Export to PowerPoint, Export to PowerPoint presentation. So the AI power that is being incorporated into Microsoft Online will generate some PowerPoint preview for me. This is an example of the presentation preview, and I can show more to see other preview that it has generated for me. So I think you will look through it and choose the design that you really like. Well, I think I'm okay with this design or this design, but I'll go with this design. So I can now export it, then it will generate. Can you see? Then I can now open my presentation. So immediately I open the presentation, you will see how it is structured, how it is arranged. Can you see? This is the main topic that I'll be discussing about, and this is my presentation. Can you see? Can you see how it has beautifully created it automatically? So that is how to go about that. And if there is any modification that you would like to do, there is an AI power that is being incorporated into Word that can give you, if I want to change the way this one appear, once I click on it here, automatically it will give me various design that I can incorporate here. If I can choose this, so it will just automatically realign it, and I can choose this also. So that is how simple and how easy PowerPoint is these days. And once I am done, it will automatically save on my drive. So once I am done with this, I can also download it. You just come to save as, then you can download a copy onto your system, and by default it will be available on your drive. So thank you for listening. See you next time.